Welcome to Jack Safro Ford Lincoln Mercury.
Fusion Hybrid's propulsion is supplied by a combination of two sources: an electric motor powered by an innovative nickel metal hydride battery and the next generation of the 2.5-liter Atkinson Cycle i4 gas engine, which features late intake valve closing, as well as advancements in processor technology for seamless transition from electric to gas mode. The electric motor can propel Fusion Hybrid up to 47 miles per hour in electric vehicle mode, faster than any other hybrid vehicle. Combined power rating of the electric motor and gas engine is 191 net horsepower. Fusion Hybrid delivers plenty of power. And best of all, it's the most fuel-efficient hybrid sedan in America. Included in the available navigation system is the Hybrid Energy Flow display. It lets you track the powertrain's 4 modes of operation: hybrid drive, electric drive, gas engine, and idle charging, plus overall fuel economy. The 2011 Fusion Hybrid, green efficiency at its finest.
Jack Safro Ford Lincoln Mercury is conveniently located 2 miles north of I-94 on Highway 67. Call us today.